We can also take advantage of a bunch of accessories built specifically for the Gladiator bed. That's kind of what this trailer is all designed around, like this impact liner from WeatherTech. Even though this bed already has a bed liner sprayed into it, by putting that in place, it'll just make it a lot easier for when you're crawling around in the back of the bed, adjusting all your gear that you're going to take on your trip. And to make it easier to get in and out of the bed, I'm going to be using one of these BumpStep XLs. It's 24-inch wide step, can hold up to 300 pounds. And to make it work, I'm just gonna add one of these universal receiver hitches onto the back of the truck. And because I've added this, I'll also be able to take advantage of things like this WeatherTech recovery point. It's a billet aluminum recovery point, slides into the receiver hitch, gives you a large opening to put a soft shackle or a kinetic rope through, and it can hold up to 50,000 pounds. All this stuff made in America. Boom, step. Oh, there we go, perfect.